Here's how you calculate the days remaining in Notion in just 8 steps. This is the formula for days remaining. Step 1. Use date between to find the number of hours in between the deadline and now. Step 2. Divide it by 24 hours to convert it into days and use CIL function to always round up the number. Step 3. Use let function to create a variable, then assign this formula as its value. Step 4. Use if function to set a condition for overdue tasks. Step 5. Set condition for today's task. Step 6. Set condition for tomorrow's task. Step 7. Set condition for future or upcoming tasks. Step 8. Use style function to make it look more appealing and aesthetics. Follow for more Notion tips, hacks, and tutorial.